Hey everyone, welcome back to the Food Locker. Today we are making a super tasty steak with noodles. It's a quick and easy dish. You can make it in just 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to cook this delicious steak and noodles at home in a simple way. Let's get started. Let's start by seasoning the steak with some salt and black pepper. I usually let the steak come to room temperature before seasoning. Press it lightly so the salt can sink into the steak. Do the same on the other side and try to season it evenly. Preheat the pan over medium to high heat. No oil is needed at the start. Place the flat side of the steak down to weather the fat. We will be using the oil from the steak itself. Cook for about 30 seconds and you will see a lot of oil starting to come out. Then flip the steak down and cook it for about 1 minute. Try not to move it around too much. This keeps the inside juicy and tender. Flip to the other side. Now add 50 grams of butter to the pan. Use a spoon to scoop the butter and base it over the steak. This helps infuse more flavor. Cook for another 1 minute on high heat. And there you go! A perfect steak with rich, buttery flavor. I like to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes to help the juicy redistribute evenly. While the steak is resting, we can start cooking the noodles. Open the package gently. You will find 2 seasoning parts. One with carbonara powder and one with spicy sauce. The sauce is super spicy, so only use a little if you can't handle too much heat. Once the water is boiling, add the noodles. Lightly move the noodles. It helps them soften quickly. I usually cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes since I don't like the noodle too soft. You can adjust the time based on your preference. Drain the noodles carefully. Don't drain all the water. Keep a little at the bottom for mixing. Add cheese to the noodles and use the remaining heat to melt the cheese. You can add more if you are a big cheese lover. Then add the carbonara powder and spicy sauce. Mix well until the cheese and sauce coat the noodles evenly. Now cut the steak into half-inch slices. Look at that! Perfect medium well, so juicy. And we are done! Melted cheese and carbonara flavored noodles are so good and delicious. The steak is super juicy with a rich butter scent. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!